I got toy soldiers. My mom said it's 50 pesos. Yeah, like the weird ones, like the skinny guy here. Yes, I know about aiming to the World War One. That's a broken head. So I put that into the rabbit's jar. This well, let's look anyways. Next is here's the argument too, because sorry guys, that's tiny 10. So I got Jimin is here now. I just put that Jimin's box anyways. So here. Do you want to see toy soldiers? Okay, sure. I put that here. Put here. Here, guys. Here, toy soldiers. Well, here, that collected so small. I just buy into the the name of school is Don. Yeah. But I don't want to speak Filipino because people they know me. My name is yeah. So anyways, here's the gun in here. So I put all the toy soldiers into that box. So anyways, oh man, oh man. Here, this is nice. So it looks like, let me taste. So guys, here, this is the it's too small for me. This is the size of the eyes, and here's the flag in here. I don't know this flag. That thing is Vietnam. Guys, what is this flag? Please tell me the comment. So guys, that's all the videos, guys, because if you see my face, don't answer my mom address, okay? So if you see my face, if you see my face, sorry guys, if you see my face, I went to the store with my family. Hear my face. I don't look like Connie. And guys, my mother is sick, but it's okay. Have a good time. Bye. Like and subscribe if you want.